Got lots of apps on your Android? Games, social, work, they're fun, but can slow your device over time. The built-in app manager isn't always enough. So in this video, we'll show the best Android app manager to keep your apps under control. Part 1. What is an Android app manager? An Android app manager helps you manage all apps on your phone or tablet. A good one shows app details, lets you search, install, or uninstall quickly, and tracks usage so you can delete unused apps and free up memory. Part 2. How to manage apps on Android phone or tablet directly. Go to Settings Application Manager, view all apps, then force stop, uninstall, or clear data to free space. Part 3. Top 7 app managers for Android to manage Android apps easily. 3.1. Mobikin Assistant for Android. Mobikin Assistant for Android Win Mac is a lightweight tool to easily install, backup, and uninstall apps on your Android device, backup APKs to your computer, or install apps from an SD card. How-tos: install and export Android apps with Assistant for Android. Install apps. Click Install to add apps from your computer in batches. Uninstall apps. Select apps and click Uninstall to remove them at once. Export apps. Tick apps and click Export to back them up to your computer. 3.2. Titanium Backup. Titanium Backup is one of the most popular apps and is perfect for those with rooted Android devices. As the name suggests, this program allows you to back up apps, including everything else that comes with them. 3.3. AppManager 3. AppManager 3, one of the best Titanium alternatives, formerly known as Apps to SD, is an excellent Android manager app. Its main feature is to move applications from internal storage to external storage. 3.4. APK Manager. APK Manager is easy to use and has great functionality. It works on Android phones and tablets running Android 1.1 and higher, and works on installing and uninstalling applications. It runs fast and has no annoying ads. 3.5. Mobirobo. Mobirobo is a PC-based Android app manager that handles apps, contacts, music, images, and messages. Simply connect your phone via USB or Wi-Fi, launch Mobirobo, and click Apps to view installed apps sorted by user, system, or app updater. 3.6. Mixplorer Silver. Offering a highly customizable interface, users can use Mixplorer Silver to easily browse, organize, and manage all files on their Android devices. Advanced features like batch renaming, cloud storage integration, and archive support make handling data effortless. 3.7. App Manager. Android users can use App Manager to effortlessly uninstall, backup, or organize apps to keep their devices running smoothly. Detailed insights into app storage, permissions, and usage help manage applications more efficiently.